Hi there. Today my name is Wayne Schultz with Ettore Products Company, and today we're going to kind of go through, out of the box with our brand new EZ1 Pro Plus pure water system. When you order the EZ1 Pro Plus pure water system, all of the items are pretty simple. It all comes in this particular box here. All pre-done, pre-assembled. Basically, you're ready to go. Just a couple little things, and that's all you're going to do. I'll just walk through that. So the first thing, pure water systems, as you know, the easiest way I like to describe it is you have dirty water coming in here, which is your water source, whether that's through a hose or well or even tank in some cases, and then the clean water comes out here. So included in the thing is it's basically a solid brass fitting you attach to your garden hose, standard garden hose thread. All over America, it's basically the same thing. It literally attaches, literally like that, and you're good to go. Turn the water on, and then this is basically the control. You can have up to 2 of these running at any given time. When you have your pole attached, this is basically the hose that you would use. It attaches quite literally like that, and you're good to go. It's got a valve for on and off, so if you want to turn it off and not have it wet when you're working with it, basically works like that. Comes across really easily. It has a TDS meter, which actually doesn't tell you the water particles. It actually just gives you a green light and a red light. As you can see right now, it's flashing green, which means you're good to go. The water coming out is 100% pure water. When that turns red, it basically means that particles are getting through and it's time to change out the filter. Changing out the filter is actually fairly simple. You basically remove these screws here, watertight system, pull it out, and that's basically the filter. You grab a new one, put it back in, that simple, put it together, and then reattach this item, and that's basically it. So we've tried to make this as simple as possible right out of the box. In future videos, we're going to talk about what poles to use and how to work with that, but that's basically the system. To drain it, there's a couple ways you can do that. Basically, you disconnect the water source that we talked about earlier. There's a valve up here that's a vent basically that allows the water to drain, or you can actually just use that and have this open to make sure air is getting through. Then when you drain all the water, your system's good to go at that point. You can leave it sit for as long as you want to because it doesn't drain any of the crystals in the filter itself. And then when you're ready to use it again, you just connect the hose and refill it up with water, and it's ready to go.